Hi, and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which novel is Virginia Woolf best known for that explores the inner thoughts of its characters? Is it A. Mrs. Dalloway, B. Wuthering Heights, or C. The Great Gatsby? It is A. Mrs. Dalloway. What is the primary text associated with Taoism? Is it A. Tao Te Ching, B. Tripitaka, or C. Bhagavad Gita? It is A. Tao Te Ching. What is the capital of Belize? Is it A. Nassau, B. Belmopan, or C. Kingston? It is B. Belmopan. What is a common illness caused by a virus? Is it A. Malaria, B. Tuberculosis, or C. Influenza? It is C. Influenza. What country is Barcelona located in? Is it A. Spain, B. Italy, or C. France? It is A. Spain. What is the main focus of NPR's Planet Money podcast? Is it A. Economics, B. Technology, or C. Sports? It is A. Economics. What role does Desna play in Slavic mythology? Is it A. God of agriculture, B. Goddess of rivers, or C. Spirit of the forest? It is B. Goddess of rivers. What is Jane Goodall best known for in the field of science? Is it A. Chimpanzee research, B. Marine biology, or C. Botany? It is A. Chimpanzee research. In statistics, what does variance measure regarding a data set? Is it A. Data count, B. Data spread, or C. Data average? It is B. Data spread. Which type of products is AMD primarily known for manufacturing? Is it A. TVs, B. Smartphones, or C. Microprocessors? It is C. Microprocessors. What religious movement began in the 16th century, leading to the formation of Protestant churches? Is it A. The Enlightenment, B. The Reformation, or C. The Renaissance? It is B. The Reformation. What is the primary practice of Shinto religion in Japan? Is it A. Kami worship, B. Meditation, or C. Monotheism? It is A. Kami worship. In Norse mythology, what is Fenrir known for? Is it A. Guarding Asgard, B. Devouring Odin, or C. Forging Mjolnir? It is B. Devouring Odin. In which Spanish city does the famous Running of the Bulls festival take place annually? Is it A. Seville, B. Madrid, or C. Pamplona? It is C. Pamplona. What is the name of the philosophical work in which Plato outlines his theory of forms? Is it A. Ethics, B. Metaphysics, or C. The Republic? It is C. The Republic. What is a traditional festival celebrated by the Igbo people to mark the end of the farming season? Is it A. Diwali Festival, B. Christmas celebration, or C. New Yam Festival? It is C. New Yam Festival. What type of service does Airbnb primarily offer? Is it A. Short-term lodging, B. Car rentals, or C. Restaurant reservations? It is A. Short-term lodging. What is marine snow primarily composed of? Is it A. Organic particles, B. Coral fragments, or C. Sand grains? It is A. Organic particles. What type of poetry is a nonet consisting of 9 lines where the syllable count decreases from 1 to 9? Is it A. Sonnet, B. Haiku, or C. Nonet? It is C. Nonet. Which empire did Genghis Khan found that became the largest contiguous empire in history? Is it A. Roman Empire, B. Ottoman Empire, or C. Mongol Empire? It is C. Mongol Empire. What is propane commonly used as a fuel for? Is it A. Electrical generation, B. Plastic production, or C. Heating? It is C. Heating. Which television talent show is Simon Cowell best known for judging? Is it A. American Idol, B. The Voice, or C. Britain's Got Talent? It is A. American Idol. What is the elevation of Mount Everest, the highest peak in Nepal? Is it A. 7,642 meters, B. 8,848 meters, or C. 9,032 meters? It is B. 8,848 meters. What is the main literary genre associated with philosopher and writer Ob in his famous works? Is it A. Novels, B. Poetry, or C. Essays? It is A. Novels. Which theoretical concept is Paul Dirac best known for developing in quantum mechanics? Is it A. Quantum foam, B. String theory, or C. Dirac equation? It is C. Dirac equation. What psychological theory is William James known for advocating? Is it A. Behaviorism, B. Psychoanalysis, or C. Functionalism? It is C. Functionalism. What is californium primarily used for in nuclear reactors? Is it A. Neutron source, B. Fuel rods, or C. Radiation shielding? It is A. Neutron source. What concept is the theory of relativity primarily known for relating to the speed of light and gravity? Is it A. Time dilation, B. Quantum entanglement, or C. Black holes? It is A. Time dilation. What phenomenon are virtual particles primarily associated with in quantum mechanics? Is it A. Classical mechanics, B. Gravitational waves, or C. Quantum fluctuations? It is C. Quantum fluctuations. Which country is home to the Lake Mälaren? Is it A. Denmark, B. Norway, or C. Sweden? It is C. Sweden. Which artist performed Can't Stop the Feeling? Is it A. Justin Timberlake, B. Ed Sheeran, or C. Bruno Mars? It is A. Justin Timberlake. Which famous surreal painting is attributed to Salvador Dali? Is it A. The Scream, B. The Last Supper, or C. The Persistence of Memory? It is C. The Persistence of Memory. Which podcast focuses on the science of happiness and mental well-being? Is it A. The Happiness Lab, B. Armchair Expert, or C. TED Radio Hour? It is A. The Happiness Lab. What is the primary characteristic of fixed income investments? Is it A. Regular interest payments, B. High volatility, or C. Ownership rights? It is A. Regular interest payments. Which American snowboarder has won 3 Olympic gold medals? Is it A. Lindsey Vonn, B. Shaun White, or C. Chloe Kim? It is B. Shaun White. What is Challenger Deep? Is it A. Deepest ocean point, B. Mountain peak, or C. River valley? It is A. Deepest ocean point. What is the primary function of the Zoomerang app? Is it A, photo editing, B, music streaming, or C, video creation? It is C, video creation. In mythology, what type of creature is a manticore known to be? Is it A, elemental spirit, B, hybrid beast, or C, celestial guardian? It is B, hybrid beast. What is the first film in the Lord of the Rings series? Is it A, Two Towers, B, Fellowship, or C, Return? It is B, Fellowship. What is the primary function of a trombone in a musical ensemble? Is it A, percussion instrument, B, woodwind instrument, or C, brass instrument? It is C, brass instrument. What type of software does Datadog provide for monitoring cloud-scale applications? Is it A, database, B, monitoring, or C, virtualization? It is B, monitoring. What discovery in 1848 initiated the California Gold Rush? Is it A, copper, B, silver, or C, gold? It is C, gold. What is the primary purpose of mimicry in nature? Is it A, camouflage, B, reproduction, or C, migration? It is A, camouflage. In which city is the Forbidden City located? Is it A, Beijing, B, Shanghai, or C, Xi'an? It is A, Beijing. What type of luxury products is Mont Blanc best known for manufacturing? Is it A, writing instruments, B, timepieces, or C, fragrances? It is A, writing instruments. What is the primary purpose of Stonehenge believed to be? Is it A, astronomical observatory, B, residential site, or C, military fortification? It is A, astronomical observatory. What is the primary function of a jetpack? Is it A, space exploration, B, underwater navigation, or C, personal flight? It is C, personal flight. Which iconic art movement did Pablo Picasso co-found? Is it A, Cubism, B, Surrealism, or C, Expressionism? It is A, Cubism. Which technology is the next generation of wireless networks, known as faster and more reliable? Is it A, 5G, B, Wi-Fi, or C, 4G? It is A, 5G. What is the main industry that supports the economy of the Shetland Islands? Is it A, agriculture, B, tourism, or C, fishing? It is C, fishing. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.